welcome back to my channel. And here I'm going to show you how you can construct a square of a given length. How to construct a square of a given length. We are going to use two methods for the construction of this square. Now let's say the length of the square is 40 millimeters. The length of the square is 40 millimeters. So let's look at the first method that we are to use. So what you have to do is to draw a horizontal line like this. So draw horizontal line, and on this horizontal line I will take a measurement of 40 millimeters. That is from 0 to 4. So put a mark on 0 and put a mark on 4. So this is 40 millimeters. So I will say this point is point A, okay, and this point is point B. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is that you take your compass. So take your compass. We are going to erect a perpendicular line at point B. We are erecting a perpendicular line at point B. To erect a perpendicular line at point B, we have to draw a semicircle first. Then that semicircle, now divide it into two equal parts. Okay, that is, semicircle is 180. So when we divide that 180 into two equal parts, we have a line that will be at a right angle to this horizontal line AB. So let's see how it can be done. So take your compass, put the pinpoint at point B, and extend the compass to a convenient radius. So this is okay for me. Then draw a semicircle like this. So draw a semicircle like this. So here we have this semicircle. Okay, so the semicircle touch line AB at this point and also at this point. So take the compass, put the pinpoint at this point where the semicircle touches line AB. So extend the pencil to a convenient radius. This is okay for me. So draw an arc here and then raise it up with the same radius. Put the pinpoint here and then we are going to draw an arc. So put it at this point and then draw an arc like this. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is to draw a line from point B through the point of intersection of the arcs, and it goes like this. So draw it like this. Okay, so now the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to take a measurement of 40 millimeters. Already AB is 40 millimeters, so I can just take the measurement from point A to extend to point B. So then with the pinpoint or the compass at point B, draw an arc like this. Then so pinpoint at A, with the pinpoint of the compass at point A, so you draw an arc like this. Then with the same radius, put the pinpoint at point B, you draw an arc on this line. So we draw an arc on this line. Then where the arc touches this vertical line, so put the pinpoint there and then draw an arc on this arc. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so this point on the line is point C. So and this point where the two arcs intersect is point D. So what we have to do now is to join the point together. So connect A and D together with a straight line. Connect point A and D together with a straight line, and then so make this line a thick line. Okay, then connect point C and D, connect them together with a straight line. So here we have the square. So here we have the square. So let's make this line a thick line. So here we have the square whose length is 40 millimeters. Now let's look at the second method. For the second method, so the length is still 40 millimeters. So we have to draw a horizontal line of any length. Then take a measurement of 40 millimeters here. So this is 0. So mark at 0 on the line and mark at 4 on the line. So we have this point. This is point A. Okay, and then this is point B on the line. So take the compass. So put the pinpoint of the compass at A here. Pinpoint of the compass at A, extend to B. Okay, extend to point B on the line. Then so just draw an arc like this. Okay, then put the midpoint at B. Okay, so it touch point A here. Then draw an arc like this. Alright, so now, so the next thing that you are going to do, so take your set square, take the set square, so set the set square on the T-square like this. make sure you can see point B. So draw a vertical line to touch the arc at that point, and then bring it to point A. So make sure you can see point A. So draw a vertical line to touch the arc. So where the line touches the arc here, so this is point C. Okay, so where it touches this arc here, so this is point D. So then join CD together with a straight line. Join point C and point D together with a straight line like this. Okay, so let's make this line a thick line. So make this line a thick line, and then okay, and then we have drawn the square already. So you make this a thick line. So we have drawn the square. So it's as simple as we have done it here. So practice these two methods, and then you'll be able to do it again and again. Thank you, and God bless you.